Hey guys, this is a Visuo quadcopter, 2 megapixel camera. You know, when it's not moving, it's okay. Nothing big. This is also the very first time I ever tried to fly it. A lot of great ground shots. Have to adjust the camera up apparently. But so far, flying really close to the ground, have not done too much. I was up in the air, but just kind of learning. Right now it's in headless mode, so it doesn't matter which direction the drone's facing. The controls are always in one direction. Let's see. Yeah, it was going pretty quick, not very far, and I landed successfully, believe it or not. But, you know, that's soon to change. As soon as I take off here, I'm getting a little braver, getting close to stuff, learning how fast it'll back off, etc. I'm also in, there's the cat. I'm also, there's part of me anyway, in a higher speed mode, trying to fight some wind that we're having. And I decided, okay, I'm going to punch it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm about, 10 feet. And about 15, almost 18 feet. So I think how tall that dead tree is. Let's see, yep. Over the house, through the woods. I just wish this thing hovered much better than it does. I need a camera drone that'll do that for me, I think. But I think using this one where you're doing everything except altitude hold, you could turn that off too, but altitude hold, and look. Landed, and when I went to pick it up, still on, and it's pretty cool. Try this dude with it landed. They all straighten back out. Yeah. Just a second, I'll straighten everything back out here. Okay, sorry about that. And we'll just make sure everything's working. All the propellers seem to be intact, which is always a wonderful thing. Let's pair it real fast. Just start. All 4 motors are running. About out of battery, but it's looking good. Shut off the power. That's the problem. It tries to land itself. I guess it's good and bad, but it keeps going, so you get to have a walk afterwards. And you saw the footage of the crash and everything, so it was flying pretty good. First time flying it, so not bad for a first timer, I guess. Watch YouTube videos, definitely. All right, thanks guys.